It is really cold. I'm not wearing any bra. Hello everybody, I'm back again with the nice makeup look. So let's begin. I'm using Olay moisturizing cream because my skin is like really dry. And then I'm gonna go with primer because primer is really important if you're going to do makeup and if you want it to last long. And then I'm gonna go with color corrector by NYX. This is like really important step for me because I'm a woman of a color, so we need it. And then I'm gonna just blend my color corrector. I'm sorry for my voice, I just don't know what's wrong with my voice today. Yeah, and then I'm gonna go with my new foundation is NYX Blur. It's a really good foundation honestly, but it's definitely not for like dry skin. It dries out my skin, but then it's really good quality. I really like it. And then I mix that foundation with the sugar foundation which I got from Delhi. And then I'm going to use this Revlon concealer to conceal my dark under eyes and dark eyelids. And then I'm just going to go with another concealer to brighten up my face. Oh, before I'm going to do that, I'm going to go with a random eyeshadow. This is the eyeshadow small palette which I use a lot, especially when I'm going to work or if I'm running late, because it just takes like a second to do that. And here I am going with a Revlon concealer to brighten my face. So this is actually like 3-4 shades lighter than my skin tone. I think 5 shades lighter, I'm not sure. So yeah, and then I'm going to use this e.l.f. Loose powder to set my concealer. So I'm going to take that much and I'm going to set it under my eyes. I mean, I really like to set my under eyes very well because then I get creased. That's why. Anyways, I'm going to use this pressed powder to powder my face. And this is by MUA brand. The powder and powder puffs are from Primark. And I'm going to take my contouring stick. I recently purchased it from Superdrug. And I'm going to just simply contour it like that. And I'm going to blend that. It looks like it doesn't make any difference, but it slightly makes a difference. So yeah, I like to do contour. And then I'm gonna go with my blush. This is new blush from NYX and it's amazing. I really like the color. I like it how it looks on me. And then I'm gonna do my eyebrows. For that, I'm gonna take my kajal to put that on my eyebrows. So I really like thick eyebrows. So, and I'm gonna do like my other eyebrow. And yeah, I really like to paint my eyebrows and I do it every single day. And then I'm gonna take this concealer, the lightest shade I have, and I'm gonna highlight my eyebrows. Well, I think I should do this before and then do my eyebrows. I messed up. But anyways, I really like to highlight that. And then I'm gonna take a little more and do it underneath the eyebrow like so. Like, yeah, that area needs to look brighter. And after that, I'm going to go with my powder contour once again. And then I'm going to contour my nose. And highlighter. I think I got the highlighter from MUA brand from Superdrug. I buy a lot of my makeup from Superdrug, sometimes from Boots. So, and then I'm going to go with my eyeliner by Maybelline. This is like perfect eyeliner. And I'm done with my eyeliner. And then I'm going to go with mascara. I think it's like Sky High Mascara by Maybelline again. And this lip liner also from Maybelline. It's really good quality, but it's so difficult to sharpen it. But anyways, I'm gonna take my another lipstick by NYX and I'm gonna put that over my lips and I'm done. So guys, I'm almost done with my makeup, not completely done. The main thing is the fake voluminous eyelashes. So I ordered stuff from Temu. You shall see that in my next video. But I'm gonna open the package and take the eyelashes so I can use it in this video, because this look is all about thick eyelashes and thick eyebrows. I've got my eyebrows done. Now I'm gonna do my eyelashes and then my hair and I'll be done. So I hope you liked the video until now. So make sure you watch the video till the end so you'll not miss out the end results. So yeah. So guys, I have gotten my eyelashes.
So I ripped the packaging away to get these out of this packaging. I bought this from Temu. So yeah, can you see? If you want to know the price and from where did I buy all of that, make sure you watch my next video. Okay, so in this video I'm gonna use the biggest one, which is this one, because most probably I'm not gonna go out today. I'm just making a video at home. That's how I'm gonna spend my day today, but I'm not really sure. I might go, you never know. I love going out, by the way. But yeah, I'm gonna use this eyelash. So let me just try. So let me see how they're gonna look on me. Oh my god, they're humongous. Look at those. Oh my god, they are too big for my eyes, but I'm still gonna go with it because why not? You live only once and you do what you like. You know what I mean? So look at this eye and look at this eye. Which eye do you think looks good? So I'm gonna have these lashes today, which is from this packet. It's really big. Okay, let me be back in a minute.
So what you're supposed to do is like you put the glue on your lash band and then put that on your eyes. What I do is like I directly put the glue on my eyelids and then I put on the lashes. That way the eyelash lasts for so long, and I've tried that. So that's why I do it.
I'm just doing my eyelash, my another eyelash. Oops, I made a mistake. No. This is how I look. Do you like it? So let me quickly do a hairstyle because yeah. So this is how some girls go out. You know. Okay, let me do the hairstyle and come back. This is my outfit, and so yeah. Oh my god, this looks like a ship. What do you think? And I'm gonna see later what I got. So this cute socks, some weird socks. Okay, where's the other one? I'm gonna wear this one or this one. I like this one because this is too black. And, oh. What do you think? I think this looks good. I recently purchased this and I don't like it anymore. I want a new handbag. Let's go with this today. Okay, I'm gonna go out and show you my entire look because my room is really tiny. Ponytail, I really like it. I don't know, I'm not looking that good today. Oops.